I am Ashley. Welcome to The Way Away. This channel is 7 years old now. I can hardly believe it. Starting 7 years ago, I had no idea what it would become. But in the last 3 years, there has been no new content on this channel until about 20 days ago when I uploaded a video. Now, my biggest question with this channel is it dead? Is it worth reviving? Is it worth making new content on this channel? And with over 200,000 subscribers, in my mind, I think it would be such a waste to just leave it and not try and revive this channel. But that comes with a lot of questions as to if it's even worth it. So in this video, I wanted to kind of go through the analytics of The Way Away and start from when it was at its peak, during the time that there was no new content, and then what my new video has done and what my thoughts are about that. This is not the type of content that I am intending on putting on this channel, but I thought that it would be a really cool way of sharing with you authenticity, as well as being completely transparent of what's going on with this channel, what my thoughts are, what my expectations are, but also sharing kind of the back end, because not everybody does that, and I think that it is really interesting. I find it really interesting, and for my future, I would love to be able to make this video and go back on it and look and see what happened. Like, is this, like, hopefully I'll see this video in the past and say, wow, I was worried about nothing. That's the hope and the plan, but I don't know. I don't know if that's the truth. Okay, so let's start out on the channel, on The Way Away. So as you can see, it has 231,000 subscribers. This channel used to have a ton of videos on this front end. If you are interested in any of the old videos, it's still very easy to get to them. They're under the playlists, in their playlist, so if you're looking for a specific country, you can search it there. Or you can go under videos here, and you have the option of sorting by the most popular, by the oldest to newest, so that you can watch through the whole thing, or you can start from the newest and go backwards, which I don't suggest. Going from the oldest to the newest is pretty interesting, and quite a few of you have done that and or have told me that like you're doing that and you're not quite to right now, which is so fun. It's a diary of my life, really, this whole thing. So I definitely see it as an advantage to share with you. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the YouTube studio. On the side here, on this dashboard, you have all these options. We're gonna look at the analytics, and I'm going to pull up a custom time. What we're gonna do is look at July 2019 is where we're going to start. That is the height of the channel, 2019. It was definitely the time where the channel was most consistent, having videos put up most consistently before I stopped in December of 2019. And then we'll look at 2020 and what the channel is doing after 3 years of no new content. And then we will look at now and what this video has done. For the dates of July 31st through 31 in 2019, this channel got 595,000 views, 60,000 watch time hours, and 2,000 subscribers in 1 month. And then the revenue was about 1,500, which is great. When you have a travel channel, your revenue can fluctuate depending on the country that you're in. Many people don't know how AdSense works, but advertisers pay for per 1,000 views that you get on your channel. But it also depends on where those people are watching from. If you are watching from a certain country, then maybe advertisers pay less for viewers from that country than, say, you were watching from the US. They will pay more for US viewership. You can see here that the top geographies were the United States at this time at 18%, Finland, which is really interesting, at 16%, Germany, United Kingdom, and then Russia. So this was close to the time where I did a series in Finland, a series in Russia, so my audience changes. When also doing travel content, your audience is coming and going. The majority of viewers, like you can see here, 77% are not subscribed because many people are coming to your channel to watch videos specifically on the country or the place that they are interested in going. They're not necessarily interested in all the rest of your content, but they might look up your content because they're planning a trip to Finland. So most of the viewership is coming from people who are not subscribed. My age and gender, this is pretty common for this channel because we went to certain countries like India, or Thailand, or Nepal, or Turkey. These countries garnered a lot of a male audience from them, but I also think that this channel in the past has garnered a lot of couples, and I think that many of the couples are subscribed under the male's YouTube. So that's what I think. It's my theory is that many of those males are just husbands who are watching the videos with their wives, which is so lovely, and I really hope that's the case. But that's my theory. And then age group, this is my age group here. So the channel at that time, I think what I want to look at here is the revenue. So daily it looks on average 34 to 43, yeah, maybe $43 a day is pretty average, which isn't terrible. I mean, that's not bad at all. Okay, so next, July 1st through 31st in 2021, which is after the channel has not had any new content for a couple years. Maybe like 1 or 2 videos that were update videos, but that was it. And the channel still is gaining quite a few views within this 1 month. This is all old videos. This is all old content that YouTube is still pushing out. The channel is still making $508. So for it to go down around $1,000 in 2 years, 2.5 years with no new content is pretty amazing. It just recently dipped under $400. So the channel has actually been fairly consistent, and it was a very long progress to get to $400. And it's all residual income that is coming from old content on the channel. So actually really, really good. The channel is continuing to make money, and my outlook or my thought is if I make new content, it can't get any worse because it hasn't had any content for years. So my outlook on the outcome of making new content on this channel is pretty positive. So yeah, this is August 21. Let's see here. Where is my audience? I'm still gaining subscribers on this channel, 490 subscribers, unique views. I mean, obviously the numbers are lower than what they were before. Look at top geography in this point is India. Then I have United States, United Kingdom, Germany. So the thing is getting views from India. I am not making as much as United States, United Kingdom, and Germany. Wow. Okay, so this is another thing where it shows that YouTube is definitely pushing out the videos, is because I am not, the 36,000 of you who have notifications on are not getting notified because there's no new videos. So where it shows watch time from subscribers, my subscriber count that's watching videos, like old videos, is so low, 7%. Almost all of the views that I am getting on this channel at this point are from people who are watching the old videos and not subscribing, who are not subscribers. They're just going to the content for the information. So that's so much very, very interesting. Still highly male-centric on viewership. And then maybe an older audience I grew during this time of people who were not subscribers. And keep in mind, this was during COVID. So this is all people who are watching during COVID who actually maybe be not going on trips, but miss travel or want to watch something about travel or specific countries or planning future travel, because at this point, nobody was really traveling. yeah, I find that super duper interesting. As you can see, my revenue has been hung around about a little under $400 for the last 6 months, and previously without putting any new content out. It's just old content on this channel. The overview, my estimated revenue, 375. In this specific month, my subscriber count is only 300, which isn't great. And the views and watch time are also way under. So way less than what my channel was making in 2019, the views. Yeah, unfortunately. Let's see. Audience. Top geographies is actually United States and United Kingdom, which is really good. What I want to see is those be the top geographies, really. And then I have India, which is fine, and Germany and Belgium. So these are great. This is better, in my opinion, geographies to have as the top viewers. So I'm really happy about that, and I'm hoping that I will continue to grow in that area. If I am to move countries, then that might change. But for now, this is a great audience to garner, and it's a great audience to continue to focus on and understand that they're the ones that are watching currently. Still though, my non-subscribers is higher, way higher than my subscribed. More recently, I have posted a video on this channel, and I wanted to see what would happen. And the results were less than what I had hoped for, which doesn't give me a ton of motivation, but it's good. It shows that there's definitely work to be done here. So this is the video that I have. One of my favorite features is being able to see out of the last 10 videos how that video is ranking. This video was posted 20 days ago, and I'm able to see how many views each video has gotten within the first 20 days out of the last 10 videos that I have made. This video obviously did really well, 92,000 views within the first 20 days, and it goes down from there. This video has only 15,000 views. That's not very many when the channel is over 200,000 people. And that doesn't make really much sense at all when I have notifications for over 30,000 people. Is YouTube not pushing out the notifications to those people because the channel has not had any new content on it? It's unfortunate because it does not make sense that only 15,000 views are on this one video when it should be getting many more views than that. So it does concern me. It makes me think that this channel could most definitely be dead. In the back end of this last month, when I posted my first video in over 3 years, or around 3 years, you can see there's a tiny little spike here. This spike I expected and hoped to be a lot bigger than it is. 9,000. As you can see here, it's kind of a downward slope, a very slow slope, but it's pretty consistent. And then I posted a video after such a long time, and then it consistently stayed up a little bit higher than usual, but yeah, definitely got a few more views. So in seeing this, I am a little encouraged because I know that by just posting one video, my views went up a little bit, and if I continue to post on this channel, the potential of views going up higher is good. The unfortunate thing is how many subscribers I have versus how many views I'm getting. It doesn't really make any sense when my audience, I have 16% of you, 36,000 that have notifications set. Doesn't make any sense that I do not have more than 15,000 views on this channel when this amount of people have notifications set. My audience that's watching is still really great. Not so sad about that. And my subscriber base has definitely gone up from 7% to 20%. So that is a good indication that when I post videos, more people who are subscribed to my channel will watch the video versus the people that are not subscribed watching my videos. If you are not subscribed to my videos in my channel, definitely do that. It is very helpful, as well as the notifications. I was hoping that they were more helpful than they are, but it seems I'm not really convinced that the notification does that much if that many people have notifications on and so few people saw my video. Sorry, there's skateboarders outside. An amazing thing is that my subscribers did go up when you saw my new video out, and you guys have been resubscribing to my channel, which is amazing. It shows YouTube that people are interested and that they want to be a part of the content that I'm making. And because the last 3 years, not very many people have been watching my content as subscribers because no new content was being put out, and many of my subscribers have already seen all the old content, then YouTube doesn't know what to do with it. So right now I am in limbo. I am in the process of kind of showing YouTube where I'm at, what this channel is, and YouTube's like, what's going on? So I have to show YouTube that people are interested, that I'm going to make new content, and specifically what my niche is and what my content's going to be about. It shouldn't be much different than what it was before in the past, but it's going to be different. I am a solo traveler now. I live in Barcelona, Spain, but I hope to travel to so many other places here in Europe. I don't know if this is helpful or if you enjoy this kind of video, so down in the comments below, let me know. I would love your feedback on any of this, or if you have any future questions. I don't mind sharing this with you, as well as my income revenue. I did want to see. So my revenue, even though I put a video out, it's on track with what it was before, not much more. So yeah, actually this video that I put out made $40. So that's not so bad. That's encouraging when the highest revenue for a video is at $19 for one of the older videos. So if I can continue to make content and make $40 a video after the first 20 days, there's definitely potential to make more money. So the last thing I'll say about this is it gets a little more sticky / tricky when I want to work with advertisers or companies doing sponsorships. I cannot guarantee a large amount of viewership when my channel has over 200,000 subscribers when partnering with me, as they would probably want to guarantee or be able to look at my numbers and see that I was getting a certain amount of views. Currently, this is not the case. So unfortunately, I will not be doing any sponsorships or anything on this channel for quite a long time. I have been lucky enough on Winging It with Ash to be getting sponsorships to help me make revenue to live while here in Spain, which has been amazing, and I've been so grateful for that. But I hope to do that in the future with this channel. I just need to make sure that the average views kind of make sense with the average amount of subscribers. So in this way, the channel could possibly be dead, because many companies may not want to work with me because my numbers are very inflated at the moment. So we'll see. I don't know. I don't know where this channel is going to go. I don't know what the future holds, but I wanted to make this video and share all this with you. I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. The videos will not always be like this, I promise. I do have travel content coming, but I wanted to share with you where I am now and what I'm working on and kind of the back end of things. It's not all easy, and there are discouraging parts about it. I don't know, and I'm excited to see, and I'm gonna try my best. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.